Hello, this is part 11, weapon animation. Ow, 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 ow. In this video, I create a weapon animation. I use the animation sequence from the military weapon dark asset. From the animation starter pack, I create a animation montage. This is for the animation for the character. I create a new blueprint class for the shotgun weapon. On the player character, I add this blueprint to load the gun and this blueprint to fire the gun. Add the military weapons dark to your project. However, this asset only works up to Unreal Engine 4.21, and I'm using Unreal Engine 4.23. So what you need to do is create a temporary project that you can add this to, then migrate it to your project using Windows File Explorer. On the left is a temporary project I created called MilWep Dark Temp. It's in the content directory. This is where I added the military weapon dark asset. This folder, military wep dark, is what you need to copy, and you need to paste that into your third per sheet content directory. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, right-click Fire Shotgun Hip and create Anim Montage. Double-click Fire Shotgun Hip Montage and go to Anim Slot Manager. Add slot. I'm going to name this Fire Shotgun Hip. From this drop down, select Fire Shotgun Hip. Save that and close. Right click UE4 ASP, Hero TPP, and Blueprint. Right click, search for slot default, select slot default slot, highlight that node, and from the drop down select Fire Shotgun Hip. Connect this to here and this to here, and compile and save. Under Content, third per sheet, Weapons, right click BP based gun, create child blueprint class. I'm going to name this BP underscore shotgun B. Double click BP shotgun B. Go to military weapon dart. Go to weapons. Drag in shotgun B skeletal mesh. And compile and save that. Double click BP shotgun B. Edit the gun ID to 4. Compile and save. Double click BP shotgun B. Highlight shotgun B. Change on rotation Z to -10. Compile and save. Under content, third person shoot, double click player character. This is the new gun I added. Note that the wiring is a little bit different. First one goes to here. The second wire goes to the third one. Third wire goes to the last one. The fourth wire goes to the second one. This is the new gun that I added. This is BP underscore shotgun B. This is grip point, snap to target, snap to target, snap to target. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character. This code here and this code was added for the new gun. This should be 4 for the gun ID of 4. Then it goes down to this sequence, and there's 3 pins on the sequence right now. Gun holder can be dragged out of here. This is fire shotgun W. This mesh can be dragged out of here. This is fire shotgun hip montage. This is a delay of 0.2, and then it goes to here. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test. This is the new shotgun.
Ow! 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 Ow!
You can see the shotgun moving here. So it's working correctly.
Ow! Ow!